Let's move on to some breaking news that's coming in. This is in the RK Pachauri sexual harassment case. A sessions court has allowed Pachauri's plea to get a complete copy of the chain of messages and mails of the alleged communication between him and the complainant. Pachauri had alleged that the data provided to him in the form of screenshots of the text and WhatsApp messages were incomplete and manipulated by the complainant. Those are the details coming in as far as the RK Pachauri sexual harassment case is concerned, which was being heard by a sessions court, who has now allowed Pachauri's plea to get a complete copy of the chain of messages. Let's in fact go across to Meenakshi Bhanja, who's joining me on the phone line. Meenakshi, if you can take us through the details of this.
Well, Avi, every order that comes by in this case at this juncture assumes a lot of import. In this particular case, this is a reprieve, an important reprieve coming in for RK Pachauri from the Sessions Court. Now, remember, it was Pachauri who had filed an appeal against the earlier order of the Magistrates Court, which had gone ahead and dismissed Pachauri's likewise plea. Essentially, today, the Sessions Court has allowed RK Pachauri's plea to obtain the complete chain and sequence of messages and mails on the phone of the alleged communication between him and the complainant girl. Essentially, it was Pachauri and his counsel who had alleged that the data provided to him for the trial process in the form of screenshots and of SMS or WhatsApp messages is incomplete and manipulated by the complainant. So their argument has found favor with the Sessions Court, which has relied upon heavily on the earlier ruling of the Delhi High Court, which had stressed the importance of the fact that investigating agencies cannot pick and choose the statement of the witnesses while furnishing the material to the accused, so that that would tantamount to denying the rights of the accused to come up with a proper defense. So everything adds up to really contributing to the trial process. And in this particular instance, Pachauri and his counsel feel that this order of today from the Sessions Court will bolster their case in trial going forward.
All right. Thanks, Meenakshi, for taking us through those details.